this is the ENIRYO 42800 milliamp portable power bank with built-in cables. You can charge up to 6 devices at one time. This was sent to me for review, but everything I say in this video is my own opinion. Inside this nice looking packaging, you are going to get the 42800 milliamp power bank itself, a Type-C charging cable that is about 1 foot long, little activation guide here, and the user manual. The dimensions, here you can see it next to this beat up old Galaxy 9. It's about 5.5 inches this way, a little under 3 inches this way, and about 1.25 inches this way, and it weighs just over 1 pound, probably a little heavier than some others, but it feels well built and sturdy to me. It has a 22.5 watt fast charging power output. They say that it's 3 times quicker than a regular portable charger and that it powers up the newer iPhones from 15 to 60% in just 30 minutes. I have not tried that. I play in a band where we both use iPads on stage for our set lists and all that stuff. So this is going to be something to carry in my gig bag to have as a backup in case we need to recharge something during the middle of a gig. Perfect. Let's go around the device here. So on this side, we have a button. If you press this, it gives you the display to let you know how much battery is left in there. If you press it twice, it turns it off. On the back, we have one of the ways that you can charge it right here. You can plug it into a USB and charge it this way. And right here, this is an in-out port. You can actually charge it via Type-C or use this as an output. Here we have a Type-C. We have an iPhone, iPad type right here, USB. On the front here, we have 2 USB outs. And like I said before, this is either a Type-C output or a Type-C input for charging it. I think it's super cool to have one charger that charges different types of devices, plus the USB outputs for whatever you need to charge. And I also like the easy to read LED screen. You might not be catching it so well with these lights. I got a lot of lights on here. But it clearly shows me how much battery I have left with just the press of a button. The 42,800 milliamp capacity is pretty big, and if you're only charging 1 or 2 devices with it, it should last you for quite a while before you have to recharge it again. But since it's a large capacity battery, it does take a while to recharge, so you're going to want to plan that out. But there you go. I imagine this would be great for students, campers, travelers, just something to carry in your bag or your car or your backpack for a day out or an event, you know, hiking even, all kinds of uses. Very nice.